I'm going to make a wee video on testing the glow plugs 4D56. Reason being, it's quite hard starting on cold mornings. So I'm going to remove the intercooler first and then disconnect the glow rail from the glow plugs, remove each plug and rig them up so that I can put voltage through them and test. Okay, intercooler is off. Bit better visibility here now and ability to actually work. So yeah, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's see if we can take them off without fucking anything. Right, the rail is disconnected, so hopefully I can lift that off now without damaging it. It looks quite fragile too. There she goes. Alright, before I pull them out, I'm going to test the continuity between each plug and the block earth, just out of curiosity. Before I do that, I'm actually just going to lightly brush the top of these studs just to remove any pollution for a good test. Alright, so got the multimeter on ohms, see what we'll find. The multimeter itself, there's virtually no resistance there, so that's good. I'm going to put the earth to the block. Cylinder 1 or glow plug 1, 238. Glow plug number 2. Oh, okay, I'll try again. Okay. 0.6, 0.5, cylinder 3, struggling. Okay, I cannot get any connection through the third glow plug. And number 4, 0.8, 0.7. So I'll just quickly go again. Cylinder number 1, 238. Cylinder number 2, 0.5. Cylinder number 3. I cannot get any connection. Cylinder number 3 does not earth. And number 4, 1.0. Try again. 0.8, 0.7, okay. Based on that, I'm only going to buy 2 glow plugs. Probably replace cylinder 1 because it's got quite high resistance, and cylinder number 3 because it doesn't earth at all. Just to show how I did that, I'm going to try and hold the 2 leads and the GoPro all at once. I earthed on the block right here and tested each glow plug through the stud. I tried the top and then I also did the bottom, particularly with number 3 because it wouldn't pick up any ground. Let's see what treat we've got here. This is the third glow plug. That's the one that I couldn't get any connection through at all, wasn't earthing. Trying this with my left hand as well, just for a laugh. Okay.